Swati Joshi joins me. Siddhant, before I come to you, Swati, let's go over the call data records once again. This man was in touch with everyone else except Sushant Singh Rajput.
Described as a dubious person. That's why his role is extremely suspicious, and that's why family friends of Sushant Singh Rajput are also asking why is it that the residence of Sushant Singh Rajput outside the hospital, in the morgue, why is it that Sandeep Singh all of a sudden became the point person? Sandeep Singh claims that he's a very close friend of Sushant Singh Rajput, and in fact when you go through the call data records, they tell you a very different story. This person was almost missing for 10 long months. He was not in touch with Sushant Singh Rajput, who now claims that Sushant had only two friends. One was he himself and the other one was Mahesh Shetty. But when we went through the call data records of Sandeep Singh, this is what we found out, and this is in fact very serious. Mr. Bhushan Belnekar, who he spoke to on 15th of June, on a day after Sushant Singh Rajput was found dead, in fact is the investigating officer of this case of Sushant Singh Rajput's death case. Investigating officer was speaking to Sandeep Singh, who is not a family member, of course. He claims he's a close friend who was not in touch for 10 long months, and then he appears all of a sudden on the day the actor is found dead, and then he's seen all over the place, from the residence to the hospital and the morgue itself. He speaks to the ambulance driver as well, not just on the day of the actor's death, but 2 days later to his death as well. Now these raise very serious questions. Why is it that the investigating officer was speaking to Sandeep Singh? What information was he seeking from Sandeep Singh, who was missing for 10 long months? Why was the investigating officer not speaking to the family members if he was trying to find out more about Sushant Singh Rajput? Those questions need to be answered by the Mumbai police, Pranesh.
Because Siddhant is joining us, Tamal also with us, Arunil Priyank will be joining us shortly. Siddhant, I want to understand from you, this man has been under the lens from the very beginning. Amit Satam of the BJP said that just 2 days after Sushant's death, I wrote to the DCP and he sent us that screenshot also, that please record statement of Sandeep Singh.
Well, that's right, Pranesh. That's right, Pranesh. We are at Sandeep Singh's residence, and this is a building where Sandeep lives. Now, let me give a view to our viewers, the sense that where is Sandeep Singh? We'll be taking some tough question. Sir, Sandeep Singh है घर पे? Sandeep Singh है? Oh, sir, Sandeep Singh को हम ढूंढ रहे हैं घर पे इस वक्त. Sir, Sandeep Singh है इस वक्त? आपको पता है उनका इन्वॉल्वमेंट आ रहा है सुशांत सिंह केस में? सर, आप एक बार फोन लगाएंगे इंटरकॉम पे?
नहीं लगता है.
नहीं लगता? क्या बोल के रखा है? कोई फोन नहीं करो.
लगता ही नहीं है.
क्या बोल रहा है? ऊपर से क्या आता है? Okay, so there you see, Sandeep Singh has told them not to call him when media people approach the main gate. Now there you see, this is the lobby where we are reporting from. Sandeep Singh is still inside. It was Arunil who have been tracking Sandeep Singh from last 2 days. Again, teams are outside his residence. Now, Pranesh, the question here is, what is he hiding exactly? What is there to hide? If there is any suspicion, that is only being raised by Sandeep Singh's silence. If he is clean, if he has nothing to hide, then he should come out and speak to Times. Now, this is an open offer we are giving to Sandeep Singh to come out and speak to us. We are standing right outside his building in Veera Desai, Mumbai. He can come and speak to us. We have also been speaking to his manager. We have also been speaking to his staff. Nobody is saying a single word. Now you see, Pranesh, today CDRs have come out. CDRs tell a very different story. Now the story is that he was in touch with the man, with Ayo Belnekar. He was in touch with all the people, those who were with all Sushant's friend. But the fact here is, Pranesh, that he was not in touch with Sushant. He was not Sushant's great friend. So their suspicion comes in. Now we have also spoken to many of Sushant's friends, Pranesh.
He's spoken to everyone except
they
Sushant.
Don't know anyone called
in the
Sandeep
last 10
Singh.
months, no calls, no messages. Swati Joshi just told us about that. Arunil is also with us. Arunil, you went to his house, tried reaching out to him, no response. Siddhant is trying his best now. Why is Sandeep Singh silent?
Well, that is what is the big question, Pranesh, because this is the same Sandeep Singh who was basically hunting for media. He was so interested in coming on media channels when actor Sushant Singh Rajput had died. And now in 3 days, continuously, we have come to his house. In fact, we went to his lobby as well, spoke to his servant, but he made his servant say that he is not at home. So why is shying away? Why is basically shying away from the tough questions of Times Now? This is really very dubious. Who was that person who called from Dubai? It doesn't reflect in the call data records. So why the calls were made through these internet channels? That is the big question that arises. And also, basically, Amit Satam, the BJP MLA, had written to the DCP of Bandra, Abhishek Trimuke, as well, saying that his statements needs to be recorded because he seems very dubious. But unfortunately, the Mumbai police didn't pay any heed to it. One insider had also written to the Maharashtra Home Minister, the CM of Maharashtra, also saying that his role in this entire thing, basically mismanaging the media, misinforming the cops, is extremely suspecting. So why couldn't the Mumbai police at least record a statement? That is the big question that arises.
I want
And
to go
after
back to
Siddharth,
Swati
now
Joshi again. Tamal, I'll come back to you. Swati, let's go over the call data records once again.
Yes, you know what we have here is the CDR of Mr. Sandeep Singh, who claims that he's a very close friend of Sushant Singh Rajput, but he was missing for 10 long months. So here Mr. Bhushan Belnekar, who's the investigating officer, was trying to establish contact with Sandeep Singh. He spoke to Sandeep Singh on June 15, and there were 2 calls that were exchanged between Sandeep Singh and Bhushan Belnekar, the investigating officer, and the duration of those 2 calls were 90 seconds. Now my point is that for the last 10 months, if Sandeep Singh was not in touch with Sushant Singh Rajput, he clearly did not know what transpired during those 10 months. If you go by the accounts that are coming in from the house helps and Sushant Singh Rajput's close friends, they claim that Sushant Singh Rajput had changed a bit after the Europe trip. Some also claim that he was undergoing some sort of a treatment. He was seeing some spiritual healer, and then Riya Chakrabarti was seeking appointments from psychiatrists and other doctors, taking prescriptions from a father for Sushant Singh Rajput. So where was Sandeep Singh when his friend, his best friend, according
become
to
a
him,
suspect.
needed him the most?
Absolutely. No calls, no messages for 10 months, and this man suddenly become in charge, takes control of everything, decides the time and date of the funeral also. Swati, stay with us. Tamal, I want to come to you. For the last 4 days, flatmates of Sushant Singh Rajput have been grilled. Now this sensational new angle coming to light.
Well, that's right, Pranesh. Now, many people would also be expecting that Sandeep Singh can also be questioned by CBI. There is a lot of scope to get to see him getting questioned, purely because for the kind of statements he has made, purely because of all of a sudden showing up in a situation and also now the CDR reflecting that he has not really been in touch with Sushant Singh Rajput for close to 10 months. So at this point in time, Sandeep Singh can really come out clean and explain as what was his intention all about. Was he opportunistic, or was he part of any larger motive leading to any kind of a conspiracy? Pranesh, at this point in time, CBI is definitely probing the aspect, that is the conspiracy aspect, as being alleged by the family of Sushant Singh Rajput.
Right, stay with us. Why is Sandeep Singh silent? What is Sandeep Singh hiding? He is clearly stunned by the Times Now expose. He never expected that we would go after his call data records to find out what is amiss. In the last 10 months, no communication with Sushant Singh Rajput, yet he said I was one of his best friends, the man who took charge of everything after Sushant Singh Rajput was found dead, stands completely exposed. Siddhant.
Well, that's right, Pranesh. You know, again, I would like to give this offer to Sandeep Singh. We are outside his building. Arunil is here. I am here. He can come out and speak to us if there is nothing to hide. Now you see, Pranesh, first those videos that has come out where Sandeep Singh can be seen doing thumbs up. Not just that, we have today accessed the CDR records of Sandeep Singh, which clearly establishes the fact that almost he was in touch with each and everyone, including the investigating officer, Bhushan Belnekar. Where was Sandeep Singh before Sushant's death? Was it why Sandeep Singh was there to arrange each and everything? Where were other friends of Sushant? You know, Pranesh, I have been speaking to other friends of Sushant also, and those friends are telling me, Pranesh, that he was nowhere in Sushant's life. He was nowhere. Never they partied together, and he was not even a frequent visitor to either Sushant's office or his home. why suddenly he appeared after Sushant's death? What was he doing? So there have been several suspicions that we are raising at this point in time. We are outside his building. He is hiding inside. He is not answering to our questions. He is not answering to our calls. We are in touch with his managers. We are also we are trying to call him also directly, but he is not responding. We have also spoken to the staff present here. They have been instructed not to make any call to his flat. क्यों सर, आपको यही आदेश है ना कि ऊपर कोई कॉल नहीं जाएगी? सर, आपको यही आदेश है कि ऊपर कोई कॉल नहीं देगी? उनका कॉल लगता ही नहीं। उनका कॉल क्यों नहीं लगता है? आपको पता है उनके केस में इन्वॉल्वमेंट आ रहा है? मालूम नहीं है। आपको नहीं मालूम, पर वो घर पे ही है, इस बात की पुष्टि करते हैं हम। हाँ, तो उनका कॉल क्यों नहीं लगता है? जवाब तो दीजिए सर। So there you see, the watchman is confirming to us that he is not taking calls, the intercom, and there is somebody who is shooting us. आप कहाँ से भैया?
सर केबल
You are shooting us. आप क्यों शूट कर रहे हैं?
हाँ?
आप क्यों शूट कर रहे हैं?
किसको?
हमें।
शूट नहीं कर रहा, वीडियो खाली निकाल रहा हूँ।
क्यों? किसी ने भेजा आपको?
अरे केबल वाला मेरा भाई।
तो आप वीडियो क्यों निकाल रहे हैं?
ऐसे बना रहे हैं।
Okay, there you see, some people are trying to make videos of Times Now reporting outside Sandeep Singh's residence, but we'll not be afraid. We are not afraid of anyone. We are here to know what Sandeep Singh was doing at mortuary. What was he doing? What was he doing at Sushant's funeral when they were not friends? Who asked him to go for a funeral? What did he all do? Why CDR records are saying that he was in touch with everyone? Where was he when Sushant was alive? All these questions.
Sandeep Singh will have to answer.
Out.
Sandeep Singh will have to come out and answer all these questions on Times Now. Siddhant, Arunil, Swati, Tamal, please stay with us. This is our rolling coverage on the Sushant investigation. It gets bigger as we go along. A short break. We return in just a bit.